How to charge S Pen S23 Ultra. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to charge the S Pen on your Galaxy S23 Ultra and how to check its battery level. Whether you're new to S Pen or just want to understand it better, this quick tutorial will help you get the most out of it. Part 1. How to charge S Pen. The S Pen on the S23 Ultra charges automatically. You don't need a cable or charger. Simply insert the S Pen into the slot at the bottom right corner of your phone. Once it's docked, the phone will start wirelessly charging using its internal battery. It charges fast, just 40 seconds in the slot gives you up to 30 minutes of battery life for Bluetooth features. Part 2. How to check the battery level. To see how much battery your S Pen has, go to Settings on your phone. Then, tap Advanced Features and choose S Pen. Next, tap on Air Actions. At the top, you will see the battery percentage of your S Pen. Even if the battery is low, you can still write or tap. Bluetooth features just won't work until you start it again. Step 3. Quick tip. What needs battery versus what doesn't? Remember, basic features like writing notes or drawing don't require battery at all. Only Air Actions, like using the S Pen as a remote or for gestures, use the battery. So even with 0%, your S Pen still works for writing on the screen. And that's it. That was a quick tutorial on how to charge and check the battery of your S Pen on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.